full of anti-inflammatory. I am making the most delicious chocolate smoothie. It is such a treat. I drink this every single day for breakfast because I love it that much. More or less it tastes like a milkshake, and that's probably just why I love it so much. But it is chock full of healthy ingredients. It is so good for you, and I'm going to tell you why, and I'm going to show you how to make it. It's very easy. Delish. Let's make it. I'm just going to pop in a banana straight into the blender. This is, like I said, a really easy recipe. I've got raw cashews and raw sunflower seeds. They have the most nutrients in them when they are raw. Sunflower seeds are chock full of good stuff like magnesium, which has so many important roles in the body. You can also use sunflower seed butter or any nut butter. I'm just making it myself, and it's much easier and healthier. I just do not use peanut butter. Peanuts are pro-inflammatory. That's why I stay away from them. I have rheumatoid arthritis. I shouldn't be having pro-inflammatory foods as opposed to sunflower seed butter or cashew butter. They're so much healthier for you. They're anti-inflammatory foods, especially sunflower seeds. But if you like peanut butter, I mean, I'm not stopping you. Next is some yogurt. This is just some organic, full fat, so whole milk, plain yogurt. Some raw organic cacao powder. Cacao, full of antioxidants, and it's our source of chocolate. I'm adding some hemp seeds. These are shelled hemp seeds. They're delicious. You can just eat, you can just eat them like that. Put them on anything. Put them in your salad. They are very, very healthy for you. Anti-inflammatory, full of linoleic acid. Okay, now a little bit of salt, because we're making our nut butter ourselves, so let's add a little flavor in there. Just a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to sweeten it with honey. A good squeeze of honey, however much you like. I like mine a little bit on the sweet side. And then I like to add in, it's optional, but I like to add in collagen powder. It is good for your joints, your skin, healing leaky gut. Your bones are made up of 1/3 collagen, and it helps prevent them from breaking, essentially. People think calcium. No. Calcium makes them more rigid. This gives them more flexibility. Last thing, we're adding just some plain old ice. And then we're gonna blend all of this together. I think I got everything. We'll find out. Because I'm making the nut butter in the blender, you're gonna have to let it go a little bit longer to get it nice and smooth. That's it. Let's pour it. Get rid of some of this water. And then let's just pour it into our glass. It's so good. It's like, kind of like a chocolate nut butter. Like a, what are those things called? Like a peanut butter cup, but better. I had this for breakfast, but I'm gonna drink this whole thing again right now. Okay guys, it's that simple, it's that delicious, it's that good for you. Go to honestandtasty.com, all the recipes are there. You'll find this recipe too. Don't forget to subscribe. Please, if you haven't, I really want you to subscribe. And leave a comment and like the video. Let me know how you guys like this. See you guys next time. I think that's it. That's it. All right, bye.